Hi everyone, welcome back. So to begin my chocolate caramel sauce, I add 1 cup of full cream coconut milk, a half a cup of Irish moss, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to a saucepan and let that simmer down a little bit, and then I add some salt in it, a half a cup of dark sugar, and here I'm adding some vanilla. But it is best to add the vanilla after it's finished cooking, the last minute, or else the essence of it will be cooked off completely. So some nutmeg here, grating in some nutmeg, and then allowing this to boil for a little bit after a while. After that, then I'll add a half a cup of cocoa powder and let that boil down for about 15 minutes until it becomes really thick to whatever consistency you like. So in all, it took me around 20 minutes to make this whole batch. This is the consistency of it that I like. It is easy to spread, and after it begins to cool, it gets harder, so I'm working with that consistency. Now here I am spreading it on top of my brownie. This is a chocolate banana brownie, and guess what? The best ingredient of it is some Mary Jane. Really good. 1 slice of this will do you really well. So yeah man, enjoy. Ooh, there you go. So delectable. Please do enjoy, and remember, always eat good, walk good, and all animals love to roam.